Hey there, my name's Elijah with SSEO. We're a digital marketing company based here in Springfield, and I was doing some research in the area and came across your guys' website and spoke with somebody in your office, said they might be interested in this short video I have. It's got 3 tips of how to make your guys' website rank higher on Google. I'm going to keep this short and sweet, so if it's something you're interested in, feel free to watch it. If not, then it's not going to waste too much of your time. So here we go. The 3 things we're going to go over are content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing is content. Content is everything on your front page, from your pictures, all the words you have, the types of services you provide, your biographies, anything that's here on the front page is considered content. Google is looking for websites to have about 1,500 words of content, so for them to rank it higher in their Google search. And also, with having that many content words, you can fit a bunch of keywords in there, which will also allow you to be seen more through specific searches on Google. I was looking at yours, and you guys have about 560 words of content on the front page. So it's definitely something that you want to beef up a little bit. The next thing we have to look at is your citations. So citations, if we do a quick search for Dentist Springfield, Missouri, and then look on here, we go down to the map section. This is where citations come into play. So a citation is your business name, address, phone number, and all the services that you provide in a directory. A directory is a website such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, Facebook, anything that of the sorts. And then, so you want to have more citations than your competitor to be able to beat them and be here at this #1 spot, so you can bring in more business. And then from there, if you go down to organic searches, this is where we'll talk about backlinks. So a backlink, to get ranked higher in the organic section, you need unique content and backlinks. We talked about unique content at the first step. So the second thing is backlinks. So a backlink is another website or blog that links to your website saying that they recommend it. You guys have 116 backlinks, which isn't a bad number, but it's definitely something you want to beef up, considering that your competitor has 558 backlinks, and they also have 144 citations, whereas you guys only have 15. So that's definitely something you want to look into and getting yourself ranked up. Not all backlinks are created equal. So if you look here at your competitors' backlinks, they have 558, but in the first 3, they have 3 clicks of traffic, 6 clicks of traffic, and not available. Or here's another one for 0.02 clicks of traffic. So it's easy to beat out a backlink if you know how to properly do that. It's definitely something that takes that has a learning curve, but it's definitely possible for you to do it yourself. And another thing to look at, you want to look at, is how many keywords you guys have. So you have, throughout all of your service pages, you have 163 keywords on your website, where your competitor, if we go back here to the overview, has roughly 3,000. So that's another thing that you want to look into, getting beefed up in your content. So I hope you guys like this free video. If you have any questions, you can give me a call at 573-832-1827, and I'll be able to answer any other questions you might have. Thank you.